Kenny, breathe! Breathe, man! What the hell's wrong with you, man?
Pozdrav svima i dobrodošli na epizod na kanalu. U epizodu ću vam pokazati dva lika, tačnije lika sa kanala Kenny Bilski i njegovog prijatelja kako igraju ovu igru zvanu Ouija u 3 sata noći, tačnije to je challenge kako oni igraju ovu igru u 3 sata po noći, tako da kao što vidite na kraju ovog videa će Kenny doći do gušenja pa će ga njegov prijatelj odvesti do bolnice, a sada pogledajte ovaj video.
Dude, this thing's moving too fucking quick.
Is that a figure 8?
Yeah?
Whoa, this is not good.
What does that mean? Z...
Oh shit, wait,
Z.
what the fuck?
Oh, whoa.
Holy shit, guys,
Dude.
holy shit, I just got the fucking goosebumps
What
again.
the fuck is this, man?
Holy shit, guys. Holy
Why is
shit.
it spelling
It's going really quick, too.
Zozo?
Okay, this is the worst demon to contact. Well, spirit, whatever the fuck this is the worst to contact.
Why?
Is there a way that we can help you?
Yeah.
Holy shit, did you see this thing? It just fucking
Yeah.
curved off to the side.
It's on an angle.
How can we help you?
I'm still shaking. Oh, fuck, man.
D I
E.
die.
What the fuck?
Holy shit, guys!
Oh, hell
what the
no, man.
yo? All right, guys. What the fuck? Okay, how would you like?
Zozo die.
How would you like
The
me to
fuck,
die? Like,
man?
obviously, I'm not gonna sit here and fucking kill myself for you.
shit.
All right, now that we reached him, I really want to talk to this motherfucker.
Alright, dude, do your thing, man. I'm just here.
How do you want me to die? What the fuck? How do you want me to die?
Why would you even be saying that shit?
Oh shit, the thing's off the thing. Holy shit.
What the f?
And
Why is it moving like this, dude?
what is that? W?
Oh.
Huh?
Now. What the fuck?
Holy shit. Okay,
Dude.
what the fuck? Can we say goodbye?
Holy shit, dude!
Holy shit, yo.
Oh,
What the fuck?
fuck that shit, man. I'm done, dude. I don't even want to fucking play this game no more, dude. Kenny!
Kenny, breathe! Breathe, man! What the hell's wrong with you, man? Yo! Kenny!
Ako vam se ovaj video svidio, ostavite like, share i subscribe, a mi se vidimo ponovo u sljedećem. Ćao!